So today's session is on school, guys, and I'm sorry for those people who have or who has schools of his father. Is there anybody whose father is running a school? Teacher? Nobody? Thank you so much. Your father? Oh yeah, your father is principal, right? In government or private?
Government.
So if your father watches a video, then he will beat you.
I think, yeah.
That's why.
No, he will not beat you, but it's just part of session only for communication, okay? After this debate, everybody is bhai bahan, no problem. But right now, we have to be angry. All right? Okay, everybody. So, today's talk is on formal education and non-formal education, guys. While debating, guys, maybe there can be a confusion. Informal and informal. Excuse me. Informal.
Informal.
So instead of saying informal, you can say non-formal and formal. All right, like in non-formal, this is the problem. In formal, this is the problem. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
Like in non-formal में तो in non-formal और formal में informal. Clear? So you people are saying that non-formal education is good, and you guys are saying formal education is good. What is your last qualification?
Diploma, sir.
What is your last qualification?
Bachelor of Arts.
My goodness. What is your, of course, last routine? Routine means, so what did you eat last time?
Last time I ate
I ate.
sprouts. Sprouts.
Wow. So you have energy to debate with them?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. You are a squabbler, or you are debater, or you are plaintiff?
Debater.
Debater. Fine. Is there any person who wants to convey the message, who wants to opine his or her views? You have to highlight some points, reason behind supporting formal education. Any?
So good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, all my panelists. So first of all, thank you very much for giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. In my opinion, according to me, formal education is best.
Yes.
If any student goes to school, then he can learn how to talk to people and how to attract everyone and how to build confidence
Attraction. Oh my God.
and how to build his confidence and how to connect peoples and how to learn disciplines, etc.
I mean, I appreciate your views, but you said that a student can learn how to attract people. Is that? I mean, fashion show or what?
No, but
That is not a modeling house. Huh? He is saying attract people. You are not going for modeling there, okay?
No, but by talking, sir, by talking, I mean to say
You can
that
impress.
by talking. Impress, yes.
Of course,
of
you
course.
can captivate. You can hypnotize.
Yes.
You can mesmerize. You can grab, but don't say attract. Okay?
Okay.
How to talk? School. A student learn how to talk with the people in school. No, sir. I want to tell about this. Family education is the best. Is first. Sir,
Please, first of all,
a student learn from family how to talk with people, behavior, not in school.
But by in this kind of situation, many parents are doing many types of jobs. They don't give such times for his child. That's why how they can learn.
Yeah, so many family members
How?
in family.
No. Many people are living in our society nuclear family.
Yes.
They are not living in joint family. How can you say that?
They can study in online also.
Where?
Yeah.
Where they will study? Where?
Yeah, so many courses there. For child online education.
2-3 year child he will learn by online.
My brother, give me. He said about a student goes to school and learns how to interact, how to talk, how to grab people. By online study, how can he interact with people? By YouTube channel, he can interact.
Yes.
What is he
Also,
talking about?
Confidence building, sir.
Yes, and confidence building. What is your answer for confidence building?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Everybody,
Panelist, sorry. My brother said me ki and when you go in a school, so how to build confidence and how to talk to people. You know, you all have degree and you all have graduate people, but then public speaking, people face confidence problem.
Yes, sir.
You know, yeah.
But I am talking about child. Child.
Is he not child?
Don't change this.
He is also child.
Yeah.
3-year, 4-year child. How he can learn? 5-year child, small child.
You don't know na, how to confidence, what is confidence? You don't know.
How he can learn how to talk every person.
You don't have time, so why are you born baby? First of all, tell me. Tell me first of all.
No, we can.
You should.
Sir, you are saying that why
Your child send
you
another.
are saying, listen to me carefully.
Okay.
You are saying that if you don't have time, why you birth babies? Then if you don't have time, you can send your babies boarding school.
Listen. First of all, you don't have time. Your always baby is only 12 hours in the school, and you at night you receive your baby. Huh?
Boarding school.
Always he went there.
Yes, boarding. Always.
So that's why now people that child had don't have manners. How to talk to your how to.
No, how can you say that like this? How can you say that?
How can you say that?
By learning, he can do anything.
Yes. He
By
is
learning.
Manner and behavior in school. 24 hours he is learning.
In school, there are many teachers, and they will contribute. How?
Good afternoon, my all dear panelists. According to me, according to me, informal education better than formal education. Because I was reading in a school. I was reading in a school in my village area. So I did not learn English. Right now, I did not learn English and any subject because there are so many teachers available in a school time. They are taking massage and they are enjoying our life, sir.
What? Massage is going in school?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes,
I can't
sir, really.
believe this. I can't believe
And
this.
You went at schools and you don't learn English. Okay?
No, this is the other point, first of all.
Sir, first I went in school and I don't learn English. This is your fault. Yes,
sir.
Also, I
Sir.
went in school, but I also
First,
learned
tell me
English.
why are you come here right now? Why have you come here right now? Tell me.
I meet Cap, sir.
No, sir. But right now you are taking class. But right now you are taking English class.
Yes.
You are right now you are
Okay,
taking English
okay.
class. How can say that I came here only for meeting?
No, one by one.
So you know already informal education is best. So that's why you came here. So that's why you came here.
So we are the smart people. We also do the school and we also do coaching. Like we can understand our problems. So we come institute. We understand our problems. We have English. We have not enough knowledge about English. So that's why we are here to improve our English.
So you know already.
So you already
You
know
know-
in India there are a lot of languages. We cannot understand others' languages if you visit other state.
So how can say
So
that
we
informal
have-
education
we
is
have
not good?
common
How can
language.
say that?
We should have
How
common
can say that informal education is not good? You know already.
Listen.
How can you say first of all massage? You prove that.
Sir, this is real, sir, in Bihar.
Okay, so, yeah.
No, sir, this is reality.
Massage is at massage house.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I saw sir many times massage like, sir. massage like one child. I saw one child was like yes giving massage, sir.
I think this was only for real makers, sir.
No, sir, this is reality, sir. This is reality, sir. And a school time, and a student time was school time was taking pan masala, sir.
To show the proof, na? I want to. We are plaintiffs here. We want facts.
Hey, so what's happened, you know?
After sometimes somebody will say monkeys dancing in the school. Who knows? Who knows?
Sir, this is reality, sir, in our Bihar, sir.
Show the fact. Minus.
Sir,
Of course. Show the proof.
Yes.
Please show the proof. So after some time somebody will say in school monkeys dancing. How can you believe that? You cannot talk hypothetically here.
this is a reality, sir. I saw many times,
Show
sir.
the proof, please. I want to see.
I have not pictures, sir. How can I say that I saw?
So you can search and picture and show us. How did you saw?
When we want any type of job, so they told us what is your eligibility. That's why our eligibility is most important, and eligibility comes with certificates.
Very nice. Degrees.
Yes,
Good. That's it?
that's it.
Okay. Whenever you share opinion, first of all, seek the attention of the people.
Okay, sir.
Just like, hi everybody, hi all the panelists. So seek the attention. That don't pay directly message.
Okay, sir.
All right, everybody, hello. Whenever you share opinion, kindly seek the attention of the people. Otherwise, you will be moi. All right, how will you seek attention? Seek attention.
Hello everyone. My point is, certificate or degree is most important.
Yes.
And certificate or degree comes with school.
Yes, good.
Hello,
this
sir.
Is,
Hello,
this
sir.
Is a real video.
No, sir.
Of course, yes.
Sir, wait.
Okay, fine. Any-
I have object with the video.
You have objection? Please show.
Hello, guys.
please.
I have objection with the video. If this video is real, so then the government must have banned the school,
Of course. Yes.
and the video should be deleted. Then after
Should be related, of course, yes.
If the government
See,
should know.
crime is crime.
Yeah.
This is crime. Government will take action against it. You can't blame all these schools here. Of course. Wow. Of course. Yeah, that's true. She's right.
In our Bihar government is not good, sir. So how can I say that he suspend teacher he action?
So, it's the government, but not the problem of
I
school.
am talking about a school informal formal education, informal, not about government.
So you are blaming a formal education.
Yes.
No.
You are blaming the formal education.
Yes.
Yes. So
You tell the point again, please. You please present the point again.
right.
Yes.
And the school has been banned.
Yes.
And after that,
But government must have taken action.
But sir, you know already discrimination. You know already discrimination. The lots of discrimination in Bihar. They have power. They have money. So that's why government not take action. Understood?
Not take action.
Yes, sir.
on the government college, they are not taking action.
School. Yes.
Oh my goodness. How can government not take action against
On the government school.
He's rich, that's why.
Sir,
Villages-
there are so many discrimination, sir. They have power,
Government
sir.
school is government school is run by only government, not any neta or not any rich person.
Sir, this video is private school, sir.
No, this way.
Sir, you can say private, sir, you can say there is, sir, private school. Private school. No, sir, private school, sir. This is private.
Government is
You can say discipline and there is. You can say this is private.
This is government.
No, sir.
Whatever the school. For this also government can take action.
Yes.
It promotes,
Education minister will take action.
Yes.
But education minister is not good.
Or how can you say that an education minister is not good? Tell me the point.
How can possible teacher taking massage? How can possible?
So the school must be have banned, and if the school has not banned, then video is fake.
Video is real. How can say that video is fake?
There are many fake reels are there.
This
in
is
the
real
Instagram.
video. This is real. This is not a.
See,
Sir,
okay. I mean, they are accepting this is a problem, but she saying that action should have been taken.
sir,
Must have been taken.
sir, I saw many time in our village area. What about village area, sir? Sir, what about village area? What?
She mentioned something.
You tell ki this video is not good, the government should ban. You know, I already told you ki Meloni and Prime Minister already get married. You search video right now is on YouTube upload a video. It's fake na. The government actually action this video first of all.
Yes, sir.
What?
Meloni Prime Minister?
Yes, sir.
He is a president of. I know fake news. The government should take action now. You already told ki this video is not right. Okay. He told me na ki this video is not good. The government should ban definitely. So I am talking about this video. This video already is not good. The government should take action on this video. Ki Meloni and Prime Minister get married.
We are in favor of formal education. That's why we are making decorum. And you are talking out of the box. You are taking the topic of out of the box.
I'm not talking out of the box. I'm just replying your video.
You are replying the video in bad manner. It's not. You are not making decorum of the debate.
It is deniable. Of course.
Sir, I know, sir, it is deniable.
So why are you taking this kind of option?
You can take any other point to defend me.
She is talking about this video, na sir. This video is not good. I know. So
She did not mention about the quality of video. This is not good. She said that whatever happened, it was not good. I agree.
Yeah.
But government should take action against that mahila, that female, that man.
Yes.
And she should be suspended.
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yeah, understood, sir.
Yes.
So I'm so.
School is good, but some people are not good. They should be banned. School should not be banned.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not promoting this kind of stuff, sir. It is right. I'm talking about, sir, there are so many video on YouTube. It is not right, sir. But government should take action on video. Like this, sir, I'm just talking about Meloni and Prime Minister. It is real.
This topic is out of the box. We are talking about the formal education.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So why you taking
I have some
the?
examples related to schools,
Yes.
which can be possible actually to talk about. That is other example. I know you are right, but that is irrelevant example.
Yes.
He said,
She.
oh, sorry.
My goodness.
She said, degree is everything.
Yeah, it is.
But this time, skill is everything. Because if you have skill, you can purchase degree this time.
Degree is important. That's why you purchase. Degree is important. That's why you purchase.
Sir, degree is formal education. If I study in IGNO, I can get a degree. Yeah. If I study under IGNO, Indira Gandhi National Open University, I can get degree.
You are talking about IGNOU.
Yeah. IGNO is non-formal education.
Oh.
I can get degree from IGNO.
Without degree, how can?
How without degree? If you purchase
Mike is here, not
graduation,
here.
yes. If you purchase under IGNO, you can get
IGNOU for
certificate,
what?
degree.
IGNOU for what? 1 to 12th or any other?
No, university. Yes.
But
yes.
many people, many poor people do not know about IGNOU. What about them?
You are a student. You don't know. You don't know
I am
about
student.
IGNO.
I study in school.
How
Wait.
kind of student you are?
Wait.
How kind of student you are? You are.
Wait.
don't know
I
about
study in
IGNO.
school. But
It is in 7th class.
But in childhood, we don't know about IGNOU. Our parents don't know about IGNOU.
Take admission
Sir,
in IGNOU.
this is
Then
our
firstly you
point,
need
sir. This is our
certificate,
opinion. This
sir.
is our
Firstly you
opinion.
need certificate. Without certificate IGNOU can't give admission, sir.
Your opinion was
Degree?
degree will eligible. If I study non-formal education, I can get degree certificate.
In childhood, we don't know about IGNOU, we don't know about any type of website. And also our parents are not aware about IGNOU.
Yes.
Because I live in
Underprivileged area.
yes.
Huh.
That's why how could we know about IGNOU?
You should know about who.
Thank you for suggestion, sir. Next person, please. You should know.
In childhood, how could we know about IGNOU?
About IGNOU in 6th class, 7th class books in.
For eligibility, you have degree. You should have degree. Then you apply any type
People
of
are
job.
doing BCom, BSc, BA.
That is from distance, na?
This is a non-formal education, no?
For example, I am doing MBBS from distance course, okay? I have MBBS degree now. One patient came. I have to do operation. How can I do?
Yes.
I never attended class, and now I have degree MBBS, guys. Doctor CAF.
Yes. We
And
don't
now I
know
have
how to
I have to, guys, inject one person. Le teri.
and वो
He will die. Ram naam satya hai.
I have a practice and I have a skills.
in IGNOU. You have practice.
Sir.
In IGNOU.
I don't know about IGNOU.
IGNOU. I don't know.
She don't know about IGNOU.
I know. He is saying everybody knows about IGNOU.
Yes. I'm also know.
Okay. Do you know about Sushruta?
No.
Who is Sushruta?
No.
Yes, Sushruta is the father of surgery. Sushruta is the father of surgery.
Yes.
Who has no degree.
Any degree.
But he is the who had no degree. But he is the father of surgery in world.
Of course, yeah.
In ancient.
In ancient time. Yeah.
That's why.
What is that why?
In this time, you have no degree. You talking about ancient?
There was no system of degree.
There was no system. Arjuna know about.
Now also
Artery.
so many people are treating. They have no degree.
The informal education,
Yes.
there is the sense of informal education. There is no need to go the schools, get a scorecard and get a knowledge and everything. In the formal education, you can get a knowledge or get a skills or get a certificate anywhere. Okay, if you have a, this is the sense of informal education. Okay, in formal education. Formal education is required for primary education because the kids are at the age of, this is mandatory for each and everyone. We cannot deny the primary education is good. After that, the schools are destroying their hobbies, their passion, their aims, all the things are destroying after the primary education. They are focused only marks. If you are a good, if you are get a good mark, then your future is bright. What about the people who are not get a good marks in school? So that's why the formal education are destroying your aims. All the things are in it. It's my opinion. I'm said a degree is a very important certificate. You know, in nowadays, most of the people are 70 to 80% people are unemployed because of they have only degree. They have not skills. You know, engineers are, nowadays are the engineers factory in India. Most of the people are created engineers, but not create a fresh mind or no skillful mind. Okay, you can say in management degree also they are provided. All the things are create formally create only unemployment in nowadays.
But you don't have degree. How to apply?
No, it is only mandatory in a government sector. There is government.
Private sector.
Only demands on your skills. How
No.
you,
They saw
I think
your degree.
I think you are all the member not aware about it. Okay, I think you are very kid level. Your mentality is very narrow-minded.
How could you say that?
You know,
How could you say that, brother?
Please, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Sir, your team member.
Contribution of our India in government
See,
sector
don't
only. You can do you know contribution of our youth in government sector? How percentage of equal?
First of all, good evening everyone. Today I am supporting formal education because formal education is the best education as you can get. And he said that degree is not important. I think he is unaware about current scenario of the market. Because I am currently pursuing BTech. If I don't need degree, then why are you pursuing BTech? I can directly get a job. What is the point of getting it into BTech? And as you said, you cannot get a skill if you have a degree. You can get both at the same time. If you are pursuing in a college, if you are going into a school, by parallel you can also take a skill, you can also learn from the YouTube. So what the problem? Whatever you can do in informal education, you can also get in the formal education with the study from the online education. So what the problem?
Informal education, online is informal education.
You can
Formal
get.
education.
I'm not talking about formal, informal. I'm just talking about you can gain a skill from anywhere.
Yeah, definitely you can gain skill everywhere. But this is the part of informal education, sir. There is no need to go there college or school, sir.
So he's right somewhere.
What?
Sir,
Listen. School never made for becoming a best of best. School or college always become made to give you such kind of education that is need to survive in the environment. Okay. Okay. It's never made to become a best. You are joining you are joining any type of institute to become a best in one thing, and school only made for becoming a good in rest of the thing. It give you the prospectus of all those things. Okay. That's why I'm telling school is the best.
okay. Very nice. I appreciate your points, but sir, nowadays why our unemployment rate is increasing?
Okay,
If
listen to me.
School is good, then unemployment rate is why
Unemployment
is
rate
rapidly
is
increase in India.
Okay. Listen. I'm telling you.
We can see in a school sector or formal education, there are only syllabus. They are only focused on syllabus, na? No, sir. I'm sorry for
This is 21st century and government has changed the education policy, and this is the updated policy.
But-
you can get whatever you want, like AI, you can machine learning, whatever you want from the school. Okay, you don't need to say that this is only focusing on the syllabus. Syllabus is up to date. Okay, that's good.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for having me this great opportunity. Today, our topic is formal education or informal education. Yes. And I'm supporting formal education because formal education is better than informal education. In formal education, you went to school and you can build your confidence, you can learn new things, you can communicate with your classmates, you can become a good communicator. And in informal, you can become introvert, like introvert people. Fear of public speaking, glossophobia and agoraphobia, you can overcome. If you went to school, you can overcome with your fear.
Government school, we are public speaking.
In schools, there are many activities. Yes. You can participate.
Only focus
seminars.
syllabus and only focus.
No, in this modernization, government
ratification.
school always also provides
Not focus
seminars.
public speaking, not focus another communication skill, not focus. Only focus syllabus, only focus and everything.
I'm saying-
there is an intelligent person.
I'm saying activities.
Intelligent person,
In
a boring
activities,
film.
there are many skills,
He is a
dance.
boring. 1 year, one class. Intelligent person, he is a boring.
What is saying actually? She is mentioning about he has glossophobia, he has agoraphobia. But if a student goes to school, he overcomes the khatam karna.
She said in a school, speaking confidence and lots of things. Many people were crying on the stage and facing lots of fear. They are also qualified 10, 12 in a school. How can say that?
Yes, understood, Nisha?
I appreciate your points, but in my point of view, it's not formal education fault, it's student fault.
Wow!
Sir, one second.
How can you say that?
Tell me one name.
What name? School name?
No, sir. Tell me one student name. He has not fear.
Also,
No. Sir. Listen to me. Because of sir. Firstly, you came here in Well Talk. He has not fear, sir. You know.
of course, I don't have fear.
I saw your video. I saw your video.
Firstly, listen to me.
No, this is optional, sir.
Don't go.
This, sir. Sir.
Firstly, listen to me.
Sir, there are many
Listen
people.
to me.
Sir,
Firstly-
there are many people available, but only one present, but only one person has confidence.
I also
I saw many video in Well Talk video. You, sir, you are also saw, sir, already hand up and build confidence on the
Why are you going personally?
personal. I am not going personally, sir.
You said Well Talk Institute.
Yes.
Why?
I saw Well Talk video, so that's why I am talking about Well Talk.
So that people have the fault because they are not participating in the school's activities, schools debates, schools seminars. Tell me.
out of this school and you are saying they are not confident.
Sir, there are all people present here. All people was doing. All people was eating kachori, sir. How can say that all people were eating kachori, sir?
See, there are many few people who are
Only first time you came here in Well Talk, only you have confidence.
no, in my school there are many people who have the confidence.
No, talking about this place, talking about present.
Yeah. See, many people join the institute because they did not participate in the school activities. They did not participate in the school activities.
You are only eating kachori.
I was not eating a chori at my
How
school
can
time.
say that?
I was not eating a chori. That's why I'm speaking in front of you.
We are here in Well Talk Institute. We are okay. Let's suppose we are in the same level. Okay, so everyone trying to improve their English language. So everyone is equal. No, because like someone is doing hard work, someone is not doing. Someone is traveling with other place. Someone is doing other work. They are not doing hard work. That's why. You are saying Well Talk, some silver, even who is studying in a school.
Yes.
So they get a environment to improve their personality. Okay, if school cannot make you rich, you should have to work on your skills. Okay, school only give you environment. You should have to work hard work. Even they have degree and they are unemployed. Why? They are just using mobile phone in room. They are not doing hard work. They are not doing on skills. How they get employed? Companies doesn't want those employers who doesn't work. Companies, they also want profit from them. They don't want to give you money without any reason.
Yes. Brother said, I came here for improving my English, improving my developed skill. You already teach in a school. Why are you need?
Yeah, I did nothing.
You already
worked on.
Listen to me, bro. Listen to me. You are studying in a school. So why are you need English?
Everybody comes at Well Talk. If 100 people come here, 100 people speak fluently and confidently. No. Everybody cannot speak confidently. Na? You are eating kachori outside and CAPS will focus on your confidence. Everybody cannot become confident. CAPS is not going to come door to door. Please come to me, I will make you confident. At the time of class, you are enjoying in the park. How can I make you confident? And you are saying the people who come in Well Talk will become confident? And school students are not confident because they are attending class in schools. It is the fault of person. He's not attending the seminars. He's not attending presentation and activities. How can he become confident? How can he say that everybody will become confident from? Teacher is not focusing on everyone.
Will talk also expensive.
Of course, why not? Yes.
Will talk also expensive.
Yes. Coaching is very expensive. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Okay. We are coming here. Will talk.
Informal is more expensive.
Yes, of course.
Formal is free of cost.
Yes.
Private school, sir. Private, you know,
Free of
private
cost.
school.
You learn
Sir,
everything.
sir,
You
private,
learn
sir.
everything, sir. You learn everything. But informal, more and more expensive.
How can you say formal schools and formal education is free?
Of course.
Do you know MBBS? Do you know MBBS? Do you know MBBS and BMS?
Yes,
Do you know?
I know.
It is free of cost. It is free of cost. How can you say? How can you say NEET?
Okay, sir. First listen to me.
1 crore, you have a 1 crore and you take a MBBS degree.
And need. What about NEET?
What about NEET?
NEET also expensive.
How can you say also excellent depend on my hard work?
How can say कि depend on your hard work?
Yes, sir.
You are talking about ki formal education is good. Sir, it's sir mother tongue problem, sir. Sir, it's mother tongue problem, sir. It's not my fault. Yeah, really, sir.
Yes, sir.
Speak Hindi.
Why is coming?
Okay.
Listen also.
You are supporting formal education.
Right.
You know zero.
Yeah, zero.
Who is a find of zero?
Who invented it?
He is uneducated person. And you know Newton. He is also an uneducated person.
But sir,
Physics is not incomplete without Newton. Yeah. You are talking about ki formal education good.
you talking about ancient times, sir. But in this time,
Arey
if you have formal education, you can do it.
Why are you studying right now? You deny now. Why are you studying Newton law and whatever? You deny.
You should require your government कि you don't.
अरे गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड की इंसिडेंट की हिस्ट्री की अकबर सॉरी लाइक सर की he just comes from this way, right way, okay?
The time Newton and Aryabhatta was born, at that time there was no system of degree, and you are saying that degree was not important for them.
Yes, sir.
At that time there was no system of degree.
Degree is
right?
nothing, sir.
Degree is nothing. Okay, sir. So you know, I leave prime batch because of degree. CAP sir already teach everything how to talk. Taught everything how to walk and how to talk people.
I want to be
everything, sir. Everything. But I don't have degree, sir. I don't have degree. How may I prove कि I am able to do like this?
My good.
Okay, sir.
Listen. You want to become IAS officer?
Yes.
So that's why you need to and
IAS.
so, listen.
Without degree,
IAS, sir.
without degree, how
Listen.
can possible कि you
Arey,
want to-
Can you become?
How can you become? You want to become IAS because of you want to earn money. Yeah. What?
How can you say, sir? What
How
about
can you
nation?
say?
Nation,
Sir,
sir.
everybody is learning English and because of money, sir. I want to become a leader.
Because of money.
And after that, I change rule. Ki without degree, you can easily become IAS because of your skill.
But sir, you number in this time require if you had degree, you can do anything.
Change your mentality.
No, sir. You said that when you become a prime minister, but this time you are not a prime minister.
You can never become prime minister.
Yes, sir. If you have degree, because degree is very important.
Degree important.
Yes, in like a doctor, sir.
Before 1 month, government and apply one rule. Ki without degree, you can study and whatever you can, sir, you can do.
If you go school, in government school, in private school, in any school, people speak in Hindi only, not work on English. And in Hindi, they speak Hindi, that's okay, but abusing words.
Oh my goodness!
Abusing what?
They are shaming. They are shaming.
They're shaming, the body shaming.
Body shaming.
But 1 minute. If you will face body shaming or any of the ragging ones, then you will build a power. Then you will defend the body shaming and every ragging.
You can become hopeless.
Yeah!
Because of you are using abusing.
Then I will okay. One time I will become hopeless. Then I will build a power to overcome the hopeless feeling.
What?
What?
Repeat. Please repeat.
I will I will overcome the feeling of hopeless after some time. After talking my parents how to overcome the feeling of this feeling.
So you will fear to go school.
You go, of course.
I don't fear to go school.
No, you will.
You
Future.
will. In the future.
If someone will abuse you,
If someone abuse you, then you will fear to go school.
Yeah.
Arey, that I am telling. I will fear for 1 time. I will fear for 2 times. Then I will talk to my parents. Then I will develop the feeling to overcome any fear.
Yes. But that person, he is abusing you. Again, he is abusing you.
Then you will
Then-
take action any? Then you will build a
Father will stop to.
Why my father will stop?
For that father thing, you go school and you are you
That-
are,
nahi,
you,
that-
you are learning abusing things.
No.
You are learning because they are abusing. So
That's the fault of father, not the fault of school. That's the fault of father, not the fault of school. I'm talking about the school, not the father. You also have a point to, you will complain the principal, you will complain the teacher to manage to take any action. There's no need to leave the school.
that is not your decision. That is
Which is
your
not my
father's decision.
Which is not my decision.
You are not go school. That decision.
But why my father will stop me? That's the fault of my father, not the fault of school or institution.
I'm favoring informal education. I think that it is better than formal education. Not all the thing we learn in school. Some of the things that we learn after the school and the real life challenges teach us how to just manage after the school. We learn to manage the many things like in day-to-day life. And like it is undeniable that some of the competitive exam ask for degrees they ask for the degrees to crack that exam. You need to go to have knowledge and skill in the coaching, and you will not.
According to me, informal education is better than formal education because everyone comes here from formal education. And after spending so many years, but they are not speak good English, and many people are not able to speak English. And if a person goes coaching only 5 or 6 months, and after that he will speak better. And she said degree is very important. Degree is important, but skill is very important because you can't purchase skill. You can purchase degree. Thank you very much.
All right. Yes,